Meet Will Benjamin, a 60-something retired ad executive. Talk about insecure, he makes Woody Allen look laid back. Will suffers from gerascophobia, whatever that is. In layman's terms, fear of growing old and being marginalized. Secondary diagnosis? The baby boomer blues. Meet Nikki Benjamin. This lovely creature is Will's wife. She has propped him up through 5, or is it 6 midlife crises. Now she's looking forward to spending quality time with Will. But wait, who is this? Why, it's Betty, Nikki's sassy, septuagenarian mother who lives in Laguna Woods Village. Watch what happens when Will and Nikki come to the woods to help Betty through hip surgery. Can Will adjust to life in Laguna Woods? Will he find his tribe? Make a friend? Wait, here comes one of Betty's neighbors now, Wyatt Sherman, who fancies himself as a biker dude. But in reality, he's just another unemployed man-child sleeping in his mother's couch. All questions will be answered at the world premiere of Baby Boomer Blues, an original comedy penned by Phil Durand, former Hollywood scriptwriter. Quirky characters, such as you will encounter right here in Laguna Woods, come to life on stage at the Performing Arts Center in Laguna Woods Village, March 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, 2019. And tickets are on sale now.
Welcome back. Today in studio we have Alan Bravin and Tony Redman, who are here on behalf of the Theater Guild. They have a fun new play that's called The Baby Boomers. How fun is that?
It is a lot of fun. It's actually Baby Boomer Blues.
Okay.
And it was written several years ago by a resident here, Phil Durand. Mm-hmm. And it's about moving into the village, taking care of Nikki. Tony plays Nikki, her mom, and about all the problems they face. And my character is struggling with retiring, he's struggling with getting old, we're having issues in our relationship.
They're all your faults.
I feel like life is sort of imitating art, or art imitating life, one or the other, right?
Yeah.
It is.
And
okay.
And it's interesting to move into the village, and I did this personally with my parents when they were getting older, and you think that, you know, getting old is such a bad thing, and yes, your body has issues and everything, but when you start talking to some of the people mm-hmm. and what they've done in their life, it's amazing. Right. Some of the people that you meet. But this play, it's got a lot of fun stuff in it. It's we're having a good time. We're really starting to enjoy rehearsal and
good.
Yeah.
Good. Now, what is your part in it again? You're his wife, and you're supporting him
right.
through, what was it, 5 or 6 midlife crises? What does that mean?
Right. He has meltdowns all the time. He's pretty neurotic and doesn't like old people, doesn't realize he is an old person. And it's leaving your professional life and starting your retirement years isn't easy.
Right.
And I'm ready, and he's not. So we're dealing with mom having a hip replacement and
right.
wanting to be close to mom, and he doesn't want to be there.
No, of course not.
Yeah.
So what do you think the audience is going to think about this? Are they going to obviously relate, and is that basically the premise?
I think they're going to relate to a lot of it. There's definitely some comments about growing old and what that means, but I think the audience will like it.
Oh, well, good.
Yeah,
good.
I think there'll be a lot of laughing.
It's funny. It's very well written, and the timing is quick.
Okay.
So the scenes are really quick, which makes things move along. It's fun.
Yeah, especially if we forget our lines. It moves along really quick.
So it's not just the two of you. There's a whole cast of characters. Tell me about some of the other folks that are in it.
Nikki's mom, Betty, is the one. She's having hip surgery. She's the one that we came to.
So we're showing some pictures right now. So is she in there?
Lee McMorris is the lady in the center with the, I think, is it brown or burgundy, burgundy kind of vest sweater. And she's acted in a few productions here as well. I didn't see who else. I can't.
The lady on the right, her sole goal in life is to make sure that everyone has enough lettuce. So
dealing with Alzheimer's, she's starting to the beginning stages and doesn't remember things, and it's fun. Yeah.
Okay. Now you both have been in productions before. Tell me a little bit about your history.
I did Baywatch, and I did some series.
How much time do we have?
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're gonna make it quick. It's only like a 10-minute interview.
Yeah. And so here I've done some things with the old pros. I was in Dracula and Lion in Winter. And what was the other one? Who's in Bed with the Butler?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fun. And how about you?
I've done some community theater outside here up in Cypress and Long Beach, and I've really enjoyed some of the shows I've done here. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, 12 Angry Jurors, which is a takeoff on 12 Angry Men, but there were both genders of jurors. And I enjoy it. It's fun. It's a well-run theater. And most of the other theaters I've been in are much smaller.
Oh, okay.
This is quite a good-sized theater for community theater.
No, they do, and you know, they come on quite a bit, and they always have some really great productions, like you're saying. And then most people really are having a good time, and they always want new people to come on, and I think they get some new people, and then they sort of train them. So you have a lot of folks who participate.
I haven't seen you at casting call.
No,
You should.
I know. No, probably not. Maybe, you never know. So let's tell people when it is. It's the Baby Boomer Blues, and it's on March 1st and 2nd, so that's coming up in a couple weeks. And then also on March 3rd.
Right.
And it's going to be at the Performing Arts Center on Clubhouse 3. And the tickets are $16 for orchestra and $13 for balcony. Director Mark Bailey, and then of course Phil Duran and Barbara Powell are the producers. And like you mentioned, we have Alan Bravin, Tony Redmond, Lee McMorris, Paul Kratzer, George Zilligan, Sandy O'Connor, and Bonnie Lutz. A great cast. Well, good luck to you, and thank you so much.
Thank you. And tickets are selling quick, so go get them.
All right, don't forget. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And don't forget, the production is March 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, so watch the Laguna Woods Village website for more information. We'll be right back.